Before we start today's pour painting, I wanted to show you the dried results of the last 3 videos. Video number 43, 44 and 45. So let me start with video number 43. This was the swipe, and if I bring it closer to you, I want you to see the gold had split over the white and the blue green. Can you see those fine little splits in the paint? And that is because the gold dried faster than the colors beneath it. But I love this piece, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to be embellishing this painting with a gold leaf, and then this painting will go up for sale. Let me show you the dried results of my Metallica painting, the one video number 44. It dried beautifully, and this time the gold dried beautifully. Wherever the gold came through, it dried absolutely beautifully. It also split a bit once again above the silver and the white. You can see very faint indications of splitting, but once again I love the design, the overall look of this painting, and I think it gives it just a nice aged look as well. See how beautiful that looked. Beautiful. I'm also going to add some gold leaf to this painting, and then it will go up for sale as well. So beautiful, beautiful, so elegant, and the orientation, you can actually hang it anyway. I love this orientation. It's stunning. Can you see that? Beautiful. So that's video number 44. Let me show you the results of the last video that I did, was 45. Once again, an amazing, beautiful result. How stunning is this painting? Oh, so amazing. And I used copper and a little bit of gold in this, and there was minor splits right just here and in this area, but this painting I'm going to leave as it is because it just adds so much interest and character to the overall look of this piece. And this piece will get a clear coat of varnish, and then it will go up for sale. But even without the varnish, this painting looks stunning the way it is here. It is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. So beautiful. So there you have it. Those are the 3 paintings, the dried results of the last 3 paintings that I've done, and all the videos are up. If you haven't yet seen it, please go and view those videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, and thank you for being here with me today. So I've got a 25 by 80 centimeter canvas in front of me. I'm going to be working on a black base today, and I'm going to be working with the metallic colors again. The same colors that I used in my Metallica swipe painting, video number 44. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour in those colors. And let's hope for good results. So let's get started on this pour. I'm going to start by flooding the canvas with my black base coat. So this is my Dutch pour base coat. I do have a video. If you have not seen it yet, I'll link it up for you now, and then you can go and view this video, and you will get all the technical information on how to mix your base coat for a Dutch pour, because it is a much thinner consistency to the other pouring techniques. So I'm going to flood my canvas. Flooding means that you put down a base coat layer on your canvas so that you can pour your selection of colors on top of that, and then we use a blow dryer or a hair dryer to blow that out. This is the same paints that I've used for my video number 44, my Metallica swipe, and I just added a few drops of water just to thin it down a bit because it's been standing and the paint had thickened up a little bit. And so that's my silver. This one is my bronze, and this would be the gold. I'm going to be pouring that onto my canvas, but to that I'm also going to be adding an acrylic white paint from DALA. All of these colors are DALA except for the gold, which is a DALA Craft Paint. So I'm going to start with a white, and just going to do that. I want quite a bit of white in this painting. I'm going to go with the bronze next. Just use up all the paint, and then silver, and lastly the gold. Right, just go off the edge here. Okay, now we're going to give it a torch once again. I've been stirring those paints and it will have some bubbles in it. There it is. Okay. This is my blow dryer. I use it on cool air and the first setting. Let's go down. Come back. And down this way. And after that one. And to the corner of this one. There we go. That way. Down this way. And to the corner with that one. Beautiful. I love it. It looks so elegant. Oh, I love it. There is absolutely nothing I need to do to this painting. It has blown out so perfect. The composition is gorgeous. The balance is just right. And there are cells everywhere. So I'm not even going to torch this piece. But let me bring you down for a closer look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. I'd really like to hear from you. And if you'd like to keep watching my other videos, please click on one of the cards being shown to you towards the end of this video. I really hope you've enjoyed your time with me. I certainly have enjoyed having you here with me. Thank you everyone for watching. Take care, stay well, and bye for now.